What up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neil, and today I am thrilled to take you through our complete kitchen transformation. When we first bought this house, we knew it needed some serious update, so we went all in for this full remodel. So I captured the entire process from start to finish, and I cannot wait to share it with you. Enjoy the video. Walking into our kitchen, this is what the old kitchen looked like. You can see the tiles on the floor, the lighting, you could even see the island in the middle. That's not going to be useful. The countertop needs to be thrown out. And here is our pantry, which is fairly outdated. And as you can see, the sink, the dishwasher, cabinet, everything you see here will be completely ripped out. What up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neil, and today I'm going to show you the progress of the kitchen. So let's flip the camera. Alright, so this is the kitchen so far. At the moment, as you can tell, all the cabinets are gone, and they did add this box just so I want to match up with these height. And I want to also add in there's a little light over there just right above the sink. And then they also added these lighting and this little chandelier kind of thing. But let me see if I can turn it on. So yeah, this is what it looked like when it's turned on. Pretty nice. Right, so this is the kitchen. We have the peninsula here. When I add it, I'm going to change out this cabinet and put a 12-inch cabinet. We got a dishwasher, a farms style sink, a lazy Susan, which is nice. And then we got a spice rack. It should look like this. Pretty cool. Oven, 3 drawers here. Got the vent, but we have to cut through the shelving up in the wall, go all the way across out to the outside. I was talking to him about moving this shelving close to this side, so I'd have to put the backsplash all the way to this top. And then over here, we're gonna have the microwave right here, a panel right here. Move that out. And then doors here. Big stuff here. So far, so good. I'm gonna have an overhang right up to here. Thought about it. I'm gonna just remove this out. I know it's a little too tight, but it should be good. So overhang all the way up to the side, so it almost look like a table, because even though we're not putting a table here anyway, so it doesn't matter, this is gonna be our main table. I got the painters still working on this, but let's see, everything else looks pretty good. I got the trash can, it's gonna be right here. Alright, small kitchen, but this is the best I can do right now. So, it's good. What up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neil, and today I'm going to be picking out my countertop for the kitchen. So today, as you can see, I am in the warehouse that literally consists of a bunch of stones. As you can see, it looks like it has marble, granite, quartz, and quartzite. And let me show you around real quick. Let's go. Alright, so this is what the warehouse look like. It literally consists of all these stones, beautiful, gorgeous stones. And we're just gonna walk by and take a look at some of these. So far, right now, we're kind of looking toward the quartzites like this, but something more with the beige neutral tone, something that like that we like. And over here, all this side consists of quartz. Very beautiful veining, but it's not really our style. We kind of prefer natural stone. So the owners are nice enough to put the Taj Mahal. This is what my wife likes. It's either this Taj Mahal, or if I get to the other side, this Taj Mahal. So we're trying to decide which of these stone that we want to choose. So let me know what y'all think. Do you prefer this or do you prefer this? So let me know in the comment below, and hopefully by the end of the project I'll post what we decided to select. Alright, so this is what the kitchen looked like at the moment. That you could see they did install a couple of countertops right here. Let me see, they are missing this and the backsplash over here, but first they have to install the pot filler and a couple of lighting underneath the lighting and stuff. And so far it's looking good. The countertop is called Taj Mahal and it's gorgeous in person. Right now it's really hard to see, but also I got the floor installed. It's nice. I know my wife wanted to go with tiles, but in the southern houses, flooring like this is pretty common. And I'm also working on this project right now for the Dyson, for my wife's Dyson, but that will be another video. It's clearly very messy right now, but so far this is just a progress. I'm gonna give you a heads up looking at this. What up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Neil, and today I'm going to show you the fully renovated kitchen. I'm so excited to show you this. It's been a long time coming, so here it goes. Now this is the kitchen. As you can see, fully, completely renovated. The only two things that's still the same is the stove and the refrigerator. But as you can see, I picked out this Taj Mahal. And just included it goes into the backsplash too. And I added this water filler, pot filler. I love the lights here. Light fixture is amazing here. You got your dishwasher. I love the grab handle. It's from KitchenAid. Love the sink. It's a barn style. Got the little glass fencer here too. Soap, garbage disposal. I love this cross faucet. It's really nice. You can pull it out. You can change the pressures, tear it off, and go back to normal. Beautiful. We've got some pot filler here. It's really nice, extends really nicely. See, we got your little coffee station right here. Show some white microwave here. Even I see film still. All of these lights underneath the cabinets are motion censored by this sensor right here. Obviously, I want to put something like an opaque film on top of it so I don't have to see this light. You got your 5 seasons here. It's beautiful. And the lightings are adjustable and dimmable too. So I could just dim it really nice. And I could change the temperature of all these lights too. So I have to pull it out and just switch temperature I want. This is the only thing that's not dimmable, but I'm totally okay with that. Kind of like the warmth. Also, I put in rollers, so I could just loosen this up. It's a nice shade. That goes for all 3 of them. And that's a wrap for this video. You can find all the links down in the description below. Also, let me know what's your favorite part about this remodel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.